So today I want to show you how to loop a video in After Effects. So I have imported these various MP4 videos and I want them to loop in this sequence. So I've got a bunch already in there and they are looping. So they're just like 4-second videos. And as you can see, these are very long and I want them to continue to be long. But this one I brought in and it's only 4 seconds. I need it to be as long as the others. So I need it to loop. And doing so is super easy. It's just a matter of going into your project here, finding the video that you want to loop, right-clicking, going to Interpret Footage, then Main, and then all the way down here in the Other Options section, you will have an option to loop however many times you want. For me, I'm actually looping them a lot. I'm looping them 50 times. Okay, and then you can see here in your timeline, the length has expanded quite a bit. I can now left click and drag it out to make it as long as I need it to be. And now if I just scroll through, I can see that it is looping. And it's this video here that I'm looking at, just so you know. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you loop a video in After Effects. I hope you found this useful and join me for more tutorials.